Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another PR unboxing to share with you. I've been doing these PR unboxings roughly monthly, if not every other month. Products that I show in these videos are from brands. I'm on their PR list. They send me products through the post, usually as a surprise. All the products that you see in this video, I didn't have a clue that they were arriving, which is always really exciting because obviously, you know, I'm not expecting it. There's no contract, there's no commitment to post, promote and any of that. So it's completely up to me. But obviously these brands hope that I will try them, I will like them. I'll either make content with them or I go on to tell you about them in future videos, especially if I fall in love with them. So it's usually new products that have just been released, or it could be like a cult favourite from the brand that they'll send out, like, or a special edition or something like that. I'll pop links to them down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other offers and discount codes to other websites, so you're welcome to look if you want to. But starting off then with MAC. MAC have launched 44 brand new lipsticks, and they kindly sent me a few, and a few lip liners as well. I'll pop up on the screen me trying a few of the lipsticks out so you can see the sort of shades that they are. There's 40 core shades and 4 Viva Glam shades. They claim to have 12-hour wear. They are super creamy to apply. If you were to like have a cup of tea afterwards, you will get a bit of transfer on the cup. If you were to lightly blot your lips after applying the lipsticks, that colour will stay put all day. I forgot to say that they're Maximal. That is what the range is called, Maximal. They're the matte lipsticks we all know and love, but they brought out a new range of more silkier, sort of smoother textured lipsticks. So this is the really popular one, and the one that my daughter wants. But if you've been following me for a while, you will know this is my colour. I love this shade. I love it. So that's Cafe Mocha. I've got a Viva Glam one here. This is Viva Planet. It's not too pale. I love this shade. I would definitely wear it. Then I've got Flamingo. This is a cool shade. This is so pretty. Look how bright that is. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. Yeah, I love that. Then we've got another one of my favourites as well. This is Overstatement. Again, this is definitely a me sort of colour. Beautiful. And then lastly, I got Diva. And when I first saw this, I thought, ooh, it's going to be too dark. But no, when I applied it, I thought it was so pretty. It is on the dark side. See? So those are all the shades there. Then they sent me 3 lip liners. I have got here Lip Pencil in Oak, so a brownie shade. Lip Pencil in Red, really nice. And then lastly, Lip Pencil in Talking Point, there. So those are the lip pencils that they sent me. So yeah, so thank you to MAC for sending me all these. Now onto a package I received just this morning. It's from one of my favourite makeup brands, Erborian. And it's not just one, they've sent me Super BB Concealer Serum, coverage and powerful skincare combined. It says efficient care on dark circles, SPF 25, which is great, 12-hour wear, targeted care on imperfections. But look, they sent me a range of shades. Instantly, I'm thinking I can just create a gorgeous base, you know, lighter in the middle, getting darker, using the darker shade as a bit of a contour. Or I'm going to try them all anyway, but obviously if they don't suit my skin, then I will pass them on to friends. We got Claire, which is my everyday colour. I'm naturally fair skinned. Claire suits me really well. Nude is gorgeous. Nude, got a bit more of a slight of a tint in a nude. I've got Erborian CC creams and BB cream in Claire, Nude and Dore, or Doré. I never know how to say that. I call it Dore anyway. But yeah, I've got them all in these shades. Claire for when I'm super pale, Nude for when I've got a fake tan that is wearing off quite a bit, and Doré when I have got a tan on. And then we've got Caramel and we've got Chocolate. So if you'd like me to do a little video on this, please let me know. But it says introducing Super BB Concealer Serum, dark circle coverage and targeted care on blemishes. Brilliant. Enriched with 5% niacinamide, 2% white ginseng complex, SPF 25 to visibly brighten and smooth skin. 96% agreed dark circles were perfectly covered, and 99% agreed the skin around the eye area was smoothed. So yeah, let's open it up and see. Oh, it says here, we've included all shades for once, as they can be used not just for concealing, but also contouring. Yep. And we'd encourage you to gift any unused products to colleagues, friends and family members, of course. For all our shading charts, please see the press release. So there's 16 in total. They retail for £35 each. That's what it looks like. If you're already a subscriber, you might notice that I do monthly hauls on Look Fantastic. This is actually in my basket ready for my March haul at the end of the month usually. That's when I do them. I don't need to get one now. It's so weird applying it on using my left hand because obviously I should have cleaned my other hand off. Tap that in. It feels really nice on my skin. My hand is really pale, but I know this would be perfect for my under eyes. So I've got a set of Super BB concealers from Erborian. I've got Ren Clean Skincare. And they've sent me PHA Exfoliating Facial. I haven't tried this before. This is a non-stripping triple action exfoliation. It restores the skin's natural glow, removes impurities and buffs away dead skin cells, does not disrupt the skin barrier. Brilliant. Suitable for sensitive skin. 94% said skin is brighter and glowing. 95% said skin feels softer and smoother. This is new. This is new. Results in 2 minutes. Meet the ultimate 2-minute triple action exfoliating facial for even the most sensitive skin. You use 2 to 3 times a week, apply to damp face and gently massage in circular motions. You leave it on for 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water, and that is it. So we've got an exfoliating facial from Ren Clean Skincare there. And if I receive any more PR packages before this video goes up, I will film them and add them at the end of this video. The reason I look a bit different is because I've had 2 more PR mailers sent to me and I wanted to add it to this video. The next item that I've sent to me is from Current Body, and I'm actually going to be doing a sponsored video review with them using this device, and I just thought I'd give you a little sneak peek. Oh, it's upside down. This is the Zip Halo. It's a microcurrent and zip nanocurrent beauty device for endless skincare benefits. Now, as I've just received this, I am going to be testing it out over the next couple of weeks, just so that I could give you a thorough review and to show you before and after pictures as well. It retails for £379. I can't wait to try it. I've just filmed my skin before, what it looks like. I'm going to be starting using this from tomorrow onwards. It comes with a quick start guide, and there's a big booklet there full of information. It says Zip's unique dual waveform technology that pairs popular microcurrent waveforms with Zip's secret superpower nanocurrent to give lasting results. Microcurrent are the instant effect electrical waveforms that you can feel. They work on a muscular level to lift and tone, just like in a workout. You see immediate results, a lifted appearance, smooth lines and more definition. The Zip secret superpower that gives you lasting results and nanocurrents. You can't feel them as they work on a cellular level to repair and rejuvenate your skin from within. Results seen after 6 weeks. More toned and contoured, glowing complexion, balanced smooth skin, reduced wrinkles and lines. It says, be patient. Remember, the more consistently you use your Zip Halo, the more you'll see the effect. And then they've supplied an electric complex gel. This is just a little taster, just to show you what will be coming up on my channel in a couple of weeks' time. Yeah, I cannot wait. And then lastly, I've got Holland Barrett package. They do such beautiful PR mailers. Really, really grateful to them. It arrived over the weekend. I wasn't expecting it, and it just made me feel so nice. I had a bit of a shitty day, basically. And yeah, it came, and it's like, oh, look at all these goodies. There's so many in there. There's a little card, and it says 7 ways to transition your skincare routine into spring. Just like you, your skin breathes a sigh of relief when spring is on the horizon. Warmer temperatures, a softer wind chill, and the absence of harsh heaters equal all-round happier skin. They've got a discount code running until the 27th of March. It's Spring Beauty, and that will entitle you to receive 20% off site-wide. So let's go through the products then that they sent me. They sent me a Aroma Spa Diffuser, ultrasonic aroma technology. It's from Aoran. Fragrance your surrounding using your favourite essential oils. Look. creates soft mood lighting as well. I've got these dotted all around the house. I've got one up here behind me, one downstairs. So I'll put this in our dining room. It's really nice, isn't it? It's not too big either. I forgot to mention that all these products that you see in these boxes that Holland Barrett send me, you can obviously purchase off their website. With the diffuser, they sent me some oils. Again from Aoran, I've got Total De-Stress, and this is geranium, orange and nutmeg. And then I've got Restore Balance, which is rose, geranium and clary sage, and Better Sleep. This is jasmine, sandalwood and lavender. 3 essential oils there. I got 2 Dr. Paw products. I've got a plumping lip oil. I like this one. I love a lip oil. And I've got a lip balm. It's an SPF lip balm with 20 SPF. There's 2 products there from Dr. Paw. They've sent me one of my favourite deodorant sprays. I haven't tried this one yet, and this is the one I keep looking out for whenever I go into my local Holland Barrett. Neroli and Orange Blossom. I've only ever tried the original one. There's no scent. I don't know how it works. It's a spray. It's like a setting spray. So imagine putting a setting spray underneath your armpits. That's what it's like. But it's amazing. It is really, really good. I've bought it a couple of times now, but this is the first time I've had this one. This is Salt of the Earth, 100% natural origin, and it's a refillable spray. And yeah, neroli and orange. Oh, I've already sprayed it, and it is gorgeous. Yeah, it's just a nice subtle smell, but I'm obsessed with neroli and it's my favourite smell. Yeah, really happy with that. Then I've got a spray for my face. This is by Sukin, and this is Hydrating Mist Toner for all skin types, and there's 125 mils there. It's a hydrating toner. Let's see how... Whoa! Oh. Yeah, that is quite that's quite a strong spray. Yeah, that's quite a powerful spray. Feels amazing. I love facial sprays. I love them. But yeah, I don't think I would apply that with a lot of makeup on my face, just in case, especially if I've got fake eyelashes on. I got some gummies. These are Holland Barrett vegan skin, hair and nail gummies with biotin, zinc and folic acid, pineapple flavour, and there's 60 gummies here. So I've had a look at the back of these, and actually I can have them. Because sometimes with the supplements that they send me, I already take a lot of supplements, so I don't want to like overdo it. I'm very low in B12 at the moment. I'm actually going to have B12 injections. I've been meaning to do it for years. I always struggle to keep my B12 up with supplements. Always struggle. And I had a blood test a couple of weeks ago, and it's not off the reference range, but it's like right on the end. Yeah. So I've decided I'm going to have B12 injections. Doctors won't give them, so I'm going to a salon to have it done. All supplements I can take, so I'm going to try them. Anything to help my hair. We got a super facialist. This is a vitamin C Brighten Sleep and Reveal Night Cream. It's an overnight renewal for fresh and more radiant skin. There's 50 mils there. That sounds really nice actually. Vitamin C overnight cream. Targets dull, tired skin, which is me at the moment. Hopefully once I've had my B12 injections, I'll be like, woohoo, feel amazing. But yeah, I just feel a bit ugh at the moment. Nighttime skincare products over there. Then I've got Vitaskin. This is a vitamin C gentle daily exfoliator. It contains kiwi seed oil, sea blackthorn oil and sweet orange oil. 99% natural, 100% vegan, and there's 150 mils there. This gentle daily exfoliator is designed to brighten and boost the skin. It contains high levels of vitamin C mixed with biodegradable microparticles to remove dirt and dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth after the first use. Oh, look at the bottle. Look. And lastly, we've got Y Leader. We've got Skin Food Light. It's an intensive, instant moisturising skincare for dry skin. There's 75 mils there. It is suitable for face and body. This is such a gorgeous brand. It's really, really nice. So it's a lighter version of the original. So it's suitable for like normal to dry skin. Whereas the original is more for like super dry skin. So those are all the products that Holland Barrett kindly sent to me. I'm just about to leave to go to Iceland, and I received this in the post, so I thought I'd add this to the end of my video. This is from Urban Decay, Big Bush Brow, Let's Get Hairy. They've sent me 3 brow products. This brow blade is my favourite liquid eyebrow pencil pen, then whatever you want to call it. It is so, so good. I've been using it for years. So on one side you've got a liquid liner, and the other side you've got a pencil. They sent it in Cafe Kitty, a warm medium brown. I'll just get it out and show you. So this is what it looks like with a pen. You can see there the strokes, they're really, really fine. I love this product, absolutely love it. So perfect colour for me as well. So this is the Big Bush, and I got it in shade Kitty Cafe. It packs on here like fibres, it tints, shapes, volumizes, all in one, cruelty-free and vegan. And yeah, up to 24-hour hold. And this is the Slick Day Brow. So you can see there's a comb there. So again, up to 24-hour hold. It has a dual-sided comb applicator to strengthen, lift and set. And crunch and white cast resistant. So yeah, so thank you to Urban Decay for sending me these brow products. So thank you to all the brands that have sent me their PR packages. I'm so lucky. But mainly thank you to you. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.